I think my hands, there we go.
Oh, they chipped all the way up underneath it.
Hello, day five of renovation, even though it's been like a week and a half, but day 5 of actually stuff getting done. We have our garage doors getting changed. This technically has been in the works for months. We signed off on this like months ago, so it's just happening now. Well, renovation in here is still going on. Nothing has been going on here. We're still waiting to hear back from the city about the inspection for these 2 things and the trench. So I have nothing to report on that, but I do have the garage to show you guys. So let's go check it out. So looks the same until you get there. Look. So now we have windows on one side. They're impact windows. Super awesome. It'll bring some natural light. Very excited about this. Super nice. Our brand new garage. Go ahead, honey. So
Insulated, impact rated.
look how thick these
you
are.
can drive a tank through it, but not a car. And super quiet.
Yeah, he's gonna show you. Everything's brand new. Silence. It's nice. Wow. Looks awesome. Could you shut it for me so I can see from the front? New code. There we go. Tinted windows, so you can't see in, but we can see out. I love it. It looks like just one wall kind of thing.
Yeah, it looks like one panel.
One panel, there you go. That's awesome. And we did it like this because our front door, we just got new impact windows and impact door, and our door is with the 4 windows as well. So that was something that we wanted to bring out here. It looks freaking awesome.